to meet you. Nice to meet you too. My wonderful, beautiful planner for 2023. Check out. Oh my gosh. I love it when packages are beautifully wrapped. I don't know, it gives me kind of a sense that it is special, not only for me, but also for them. Kokonote, sparks out of routine. Beautiful. I'm gonna rip it now though. Okay. This is the color that I went for. They had so many beautiful colors. And like also floral colors. It was really, really nice. But I went for this one. I just wanted to have it in a simple color so it wouldn't be so very distracting, to be honest. So here's my weekly planner. Sky blue. The color sky blue. It looks more like a gray here in the camera, but it's sky blue. Weekly planner. Woo-hoo-hoo. If found, please contact. I never ever fill that in because I don't know. I don't want anyone to have my contact details and I just don't want to lose it. So if found, please learn from it and do something great with that. So here are some stickers. Okay, not sure I'm gonna use those. To be honest, I saw some of those pictures like from what it would look like on the internet when I bought it, and it appealed to me the most, but there are some pages that I did not see, so this here is new to me as well. We have self-assessment. Top values, top goals, top dreams. Awesome. I love this. Okay, great. This here is so beautifully done. Look, you can organize yourself to do important dates around the world, or what is around the world. What does that mean? Travel plans. Course. Date and destination, departure and arrival time, budget, packing list. That's right, that's what I saw. And I really enjoyed that and like that. Your ideal week. Good. Financials. Get those in order. Goals for each month. 22, okay. Where's 23? Here's 23. Here's 23. Can write my goals down for each month and tick them off. I love ticking things off. I'm a tick off geek, and I'm ticked off when I cannot tick off. Ha 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 ha. Just a side joke. Holidays, birthdays, that's awesome. Around the world we have already. Notes and sketches, so whenever I have to take some notes I can do that here. Perfect. Say it with stickers. Alright. That's the monthly overview. And here we start with the first few, say it with the first few weeks. Here's November 2022. Awesome. That looks great. I love that there's enough space for me to fill in stuff, and then sometimes plans change, but I love that every month I have a weekly overview here. This is really just great. And here we go. The new year. Oh, this month's priorities. good. What really matters this month, month. I love this. I love this. What am I grateful for? I do that every morning. Every morning I write down 25 things that I am grateful for that day. It really helps a lot. It's amazing. Yeah, so actually this is what it all looks like. Here there are all the months: June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So I'm set for the year.